Hello, folks. So it's a great day here. I'm in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, uh, Tamil Nadu, a state in India. So anyone who is Indian would know Tamil Nadu, I guess. Yeah, I'm in Chennai, and today I'm standing here early morning. It's 8:28, and it's a very less crowded road over here, and I'm in Ananagar East actually. So, and I'm making this video just about something that I noticed, right? So I'm standing here in front of the store. It says Quilt and Drapes, the complete furnishing store, and there are some other stores over here. Let's see what those are. So you can see Quilt and Drapes. It's a furnishing store, and then you can see this store called Cozy, or I think it's supposed to be pronounced Cozy. So it's a sleep company, I guess, for your bed sheets, mattress, and all that. And there's also a clinic over here, something called Youth Clinic, right? Pretty interesting place, I guess. And I think there's also a house above, but I doubt anyone lives there. It seems pretty old. And anyways, or it's probably not a house and it's just a place where this youth clinic is there. I don't know where this youth clinic is in. Is it in the ground floor behind the scenes or what? And then there are other nearby stores and all. Something called Dot Holidays and all that, right? And then some more stores nearby. And then there's even a hospital nearby, right? Now, this is all what's on here, on the center over here and on the right. And then if you go to the left a bit, you can actually see there's something called Tasmark. So people who are in Tamil Nadu would understand what it is. It's basically liquor store, and it's a very very crass, very kind of indecent kind of store. Generally, people come around drunk and whatnot. And so if you think about it, like your business, your stores, where you run your business matters a lot according to me. And if you're running a business, say this Drapes, Quilt and Drapes, or this Cozy or whatever place, they're going to actually suffer a bit because of their placement of their store over here. Because the thing is, the problem is a lot of people come here to drink alcohol, and these are people who are not kind of the audience of these kind of stores, or they will probably become the customers of that clinic or some clinic at some point in their lives, I guess, if they keep drinking a lot. Their liver will do that to them, I guess. I mean, bad liver once they start drinking too much. If you look at the place over here, if you can see, one moment, that's some classy store, right? It's actually a very very low class place. You can actually see the surrounding over here, how this place looks like, right? How this place looks like. People basically, I mean, people who are in India would understand. People literally pee and whatnot over here, I guess, and it's pretty disgusting. And a lot of these people are like, their class itself is pretty disgusting, I guess, and they are surely not customers, or like they are not the target audience that kind of stores are targeting. These kind of stores are targeting, like, some a bit higher class people with some more income, with some class and some decency and all. And those people, when they come here and then they notice that, hey, this place is not nice, or like it'll cause some sort of discomfort, right? they will associate this store probably with like, hey, this is the store that has that Taskmark nearby. And the other problem with Taskmark being here is like there'll be a lot of crowd over here in the evenings and nights, and probably even the mornings. Who knows how many people drink in the morning? So as of now it's closed. That's why there's nothing over here happening over here. But it'll be a happening place at evenings and nights. A lot of two-wheelers standing around, and a lot of people falling around and standing and whatnot. So yeah, I mean, even if you have some eatery place like a restaurant and all, it's going to be problematic, especially if you have family restaurants and all that. Like families coming in and then you see all these drunkards and like people just being indecent and whatnot, say peeing or whatever, right? Or just being drunk and like roaming around and making noise or like being chaotic and all that. And also the class of these people, the way they talk, the way they move and whatnot. So yeah, I mean, it's sad that these kind of stores will actually be affected by these, by the positioning of their stores, because they're so close. If you see the Quilton Drapes, it's so close to the Taskmark. So this is the entrance of the Taskmark. So they'll actually be suffering a lot, because people will be entering the Taskmark over here, and there'll be a lot of probably vehicles over here and roaming around drunk or just buying alcohol and say spitting around, peeing or whatever. And it's just not a nice I guess neighborhood or like location for any store to be here around, just so close to the Taskmark. Anyways, I just wanted to just record this thought that when you have a store, it's important to place the store in a good place. But yeah, who knows, maybe Drape and Quilt probably came first and then Taskmark came later. I don't know, I doubt it. But or probably Drape and Quilt and Drapes couldn't find a better place, unfortunately. Actually, this is a very, very posh area, and it's hard to get a place over here in this road and all. But yeah, I mean, it's still, and they're probably paying a lot of rent, lease, for having the store there. But then it's still not going to be great. It's like having a very indecent place around you, and you running a food store, a eatery store, or a restaurant, right? These are like food, like roadside restaurants or roadside eateries, nearby garbage and sewage and whatnot. It just, I don't know, for me it doesn't make sense. It's a bit disgusting. You want your food to be hygienic generally, and when you have roadside food and whatnot, when you have roadside food, and I mean roadside food itself I wouldn't recommend, but generally like you have roadside food and then nearby you have sewage, like what is going on? Or you have a dump, like waste dump area, or like wastage dumping area nearby, and you have food being sold nearby, right? Just doesn't make sense. Or toilets nearby, public toilets nearby, and then you have food being sold nearby, and it's a bit smelly. Let's say the toilets are smelly, and it's you can sense the bad smell around, right? So even here the Taskmark, you'll probably at some point sense some bad smell because of the peeing, or who knows, puking or spitting, or just the alcohol smell. Yeah, I mean, it's just not a great place. Yeah, it's important to be mindful of where you keep your store. I'm sure Quilt and Drapes and other stores over there are very smart, surely smarter than me. I've never owned a startup or a store or whatever. I'm sure that they would have made this choice consciously only. But I'm just trying to say that it's just not going to be great. Like if I'm a customer for these stores, I would just feel not so great if I see people, drunk people or whatever, or the store itself. It would just turn me off. It's a big turn off for me at least. Who doesn't drink and who doesn't go to these stores and all that. So yeah, I mean, just wanted to record that. Yep. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.